they're fortunate because he was wide open.
Play, feed set, three down.
The other night.
Put that much attention on Curry, he's going to make you pay with other teammates. JaVale sending Drummond away.
It's interesting. Drummond passed up a shot or two when he was defended by Pachulia.
They're very close. Steve Kerr said absolutely go to those services. And Steph Curry fouled and an opportunity for a 4-point play. Bradley turning the corner. Draymond tracks him down. He goes down in a heap. The rebound battle is joined, and here comes Iguodala. Oh, Draymond Green sold out for them. And Andre pays it off on the other end.
Love the hesitation.
Drummond very deep position there. Curry with a rebound.
But they're fortunate Drummond is not scoring yet.
Durant in full flight against the Wizards. That pass at the backcourt. Steph, look what I found. Field goal and the foul. Drummond inside. JaVale met him.
Go.
Got Drummond on the switch. Thought about the three. Another one. Good! He's hit back-to-back threes. Crosses him over down the lane. Durant. He didn't get the little bump at the end.